హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, మీకు తెలుసా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ యూపీఎస్సీ ప్రిలిమ్స్ అండ్ మెయిన్స్ లో మ్యాప్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. చాలా మంది వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ జోగ్రఫీ అండ్ పొలిటికల్ మ్యాప్ చూడటానికి కూడా ఇష్టపడరు. బట్ దట్ గివ్స్ యూ మోర్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ ప్రిలిమ్స్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ as మెయిన్స్. So mapping is one of the most important easy element. If you draw the map in the mains, if you know the world map, India map, you can get some of the easy questions in prelims that can be answered in less than 30 seconds. So we can't lose the easy marks in prelims. Otherwise, there is high chance of losing examinations. You see, there is a country called Ukraine. It is in news today. Why Ukraine is in news? From last 2 years, Ukraine and Russia is in news continuously because the war happened between Ukraine and Russia. Right now, there is a cold war between Ukraine and Russia. India has a good relations with both Russia and Ukraine. Many Indian students are studying in Ukraine, especially medicine. India do maintain imports and exports with both Ukraine and Russia. But in this light, the important for prelims is Ukraine and what are the boundary countries that are present to the Ukraine. This question was asked in the year of 2023 UPSC prelims. But why today it is in news? You know, Russia is exporting gas and oils to some of the Eastern European countries. But the Russia had a pipeline. Russia passing the pipeline through Ukraine to supply gases, oils to the Eastern European countries. Because of war recently, Ukraine stopped the Russian pipeline that is passing through Ukraine. That is why Ukraine is in news. But look at what are the boundary countries that are present to Ukraine. Look, first one Russia, next Belarus, followed by Poland and Slovakia and Hungary, Romania, Moldova. These are the countries which are having boundaries with Ukraine. Look at the countries carefully. One is Russia, which is the longest. Next one, Belarus, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, Moldova. These are the countries that are having boundary with Ukraine. But what are the seas that are boundary with Ukraine? One is like Sea of Azov. Next one, Black Sea. Very, very important. Sea of Azov. Next one, Black Sea. These are the boundaries that are associated with Ukraine. Like every day, one country and the boundaries and continent that makes you more confident in your prelims and mains. Look at the concept here. This was the question in the year of 2023. Consider the following countries. How many of the above mentioned countries share land border with Ukraine? Land border with Ukraine. Option A is like only 1 is correct, only 2 is correct, 3 pairs correct, 4 pair correct. This is how they given the answer. But look at, it is a fact based question. One we know, Hungary is having boundary with Ukraine. Next one, Romania has a boundary with Ukraine. Only 2 are having boundaries with Ukraine in the given options. Your answer is only 2 are correct in the given options. Like this, every year there would be a basic question related to mapping. So be thorough with your world map and India map because there are map based questions for your examinations. All the best.